May puro mo siya.
Okay, everybody please settle down. So, we are all to start.
Malaki mo kayo. Malaki. Yakap na lapit sa kanila. Bakante.
James, please settle down. Makapagsimula na tayo. I want to see everybody sitting down. Thank you so much. Let's clear the ways. Everybody natin tayo sa phones. Everybody's excited to see the movie.
Kading, James.
JDX.
Bye, picture it, James.
Okay. Ano, balita?
Kahabol na kita.
Hey, guys, I would like to remind everybody, please, no recording, and no taking of pictures, and no spoilers. Okay? So, ang swerte nyo, nasa premiere na, kasi kayo countdown na makakapanood ito. But please, don't spoil the story of the movie para sa mga susunod pang manonood, lalo-lalo ang opening ng ating this time ay bukas po, May 4 in cinemas nationwide. Nagkakaintindihan ba tayo, JDs? Okay, maraming salamat. JDs, pero bagong lahat, since live kayo sa Davao at Cebu, we would like to request everybody, para naman lahat kayo makita, I would like to request to everybody na mag-isa naman malaking kaway tayo para sa mga